Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make curry dumplings. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth cooking process. This includes 1 pound of ground chicken, 1 tablespoon of your favorite curry powder, and 1 cup of finely chopped vegetables like carrots and cabbage. Don't forget a package of round dumpling wrappers, typically containing about 50 pieces, and a small bowl of water for sealing. Now, let's create the delicious filling. In a large bowl, combine your 1 pound of ground chicken with 1 tablespoon of curry powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Next, add your 1 cup of finely chopped vegetables, like carrots and cabbage, to the mixture. Use your hands or a spoon to mix everything thoroughly until all ingredients are well combined and the curry powder is evenly distributed throughout the chicken. Assembling the dumplings is a fun and simple process. Take 1 dumpling wrapper and place about 1 teaspoon of the curry filling right in the center. Dip your finger in the small bowl of water and moisten the edges of the wrapper. Carefully fold the wrapper in half, creating a half-moon shape, and then crimp the edges firmly to seal it completely. Repeat this for all your dumplings. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your delicious curry dumplings. You can steam them for 8 to 10 minutes until they are cooked through and tender. Alternatively, pan-fry them for 3 to 4 minutes per side to achieve a wonderfully crispy bottom. Serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauce. Also, for more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.